How you feeling for tomorrow, Chet?
Ready.
I'm so ready.
I feel good. Vaughn, how do you feel for tomorrow?
I feel great. Car ride is going to be easy.
Making sure to...
You've been prepping for that for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
He's got the carb load, getting his mac and cheese in.
Yeah, got to be ready to sit in that seat. Skinny pedal on the right.
Yeah, he'll be pedaling too.
Are you ready, Isaac?
Yeah, I guess so. I feel like what you said earlier of haven't done much the last week. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing or what.
That's the problem. Our preparation last weekend
Was really good.
it was good, but that's pretty much all I've done. A short 1 hour ride and
1:33.
Collision.
Blacktooth Brewing, ready to start the mission.
Hey, come
got
here.
Vaughn and Axel, our cheering crew, our support crew are here.
Say send it.
Oh, boy.
Yeah. All right, Chet, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Downtown Sheridan, 1 minute in. Got a few people out on the streets cheering us on. Yeah! We got a crowd, just like we're in the tour. Chet's loving it. The tour to Blacktooth. Creek number 1 cross. Ooh. Uh-oh. What's that? Alright, Chet's carrying the bike for the creek crossing. It's like a legit river. Sun is starting to rise. So pretty out. It's been amazing so far. Cruising right along. Some pretty rough gravel in some spots there. I think we're still doing pretty good for how rough that is. How you feeling there, Chester?
It's super good. It was really fast coming up here.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
27 miles and 4 hours. The run hike portion.
Yeah? Are you ready, Vaughn?
I'm ready to walk. Yeah. Super ready.
Are you? I need to get my camera out.
Yeah,
It's a camera party.
camera standoff.
Come on. There we go.
Woo! Bike was awful.
Boy, you ready
So
to go?
But now we're ready for some trail running. Yeah. Check that out. We're going. Work, man. There's one right down here. We're getting closer and closer. I've been farting. I smell so bad. Good thing you guys don't have smeller vision on YouTube, because it's awful. Right, Jet?
It's pretty bad. Yeah. But I'm really sad with this walker stuff.
We're getting there.
Should be over when we lay down.
We're calling it. Can't quite make it up there.
It's so close.
We're just too darn tired. Over 40 miles today. We still have at least another 11 to go just to get to the truck, get to Vaughn. We're just not feeling it. Sometimes you just gotta call it.
We could have done it if we wanted to, but it's just, it got too easy.
Lots of factors. The time factor, the how we feel factor.
Morale got low.
It's
really tough to beat them.
Being up on something steep, it's nerve-wracking too, and plays into the mental game. It's tough. So, we're heading down. Catch you later.
How are you?
I feel good too. Other than just get cold. Butt gets cold. Hands get cold. Just going for a ride. That was a fun one. Easy stuff. Work, man. I'm thinking of you, wifey. On this black sand beach. High in the Alpine. In the mountains. But instead of you, I've got Chet. Which is a good alternative.
Not the best.
It's good. He and I have
We've been through the ringer together.
been through some stuff today. Oofta, we're dog tired.
We took one on the chin, swung back and missed.
And so we're going home with our tail between our legs. But we're going home.
That's the best part.
I don't lie, man.
I see that big peak there? Way off in the distance. We almost got on top of that.
Almost.
Be impressed, people.